Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima. So it's not Madhurima's Kitchen actually, I am outside. So today I am going to share a recipe that is a diet recipe. It's not like boiled or something like that, but yes, it is steamed. It's a steamed chicken, and sometimes I go through a strict diet. So in this strict diet, I have brown rice and then dalia, quinoa. So I need to have a proper food, the protein itself, and I need something healthy, tasty. So I'm going to prepare this healthy chicken, that is steamed chicken. I used bamboo steamer basket. If you don't have, you can use momo maker as well. Just follow the recipe. It's in this recipe I did not use any oil. I will share some other recipes where I will use oil as well, and the ingredients that is not very expensive. So just go through the recipe. Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to prepare a very simple recipe. It's a diet one, or you can say a cheat diet as well, because this is a steamed one. And what I have, this is onion, and this is Julian red bell pepper. You can use yellow or red, or you can use both as well. I had red, so I am using the red one. And these are chopped coriander, fresh coriander. This is chili, sliced chili, and this is 1/4 lime, and this one is dark soya sauce, and this is oyster sauce. So oyster sauce is optional. You can use the oyster sauce, or if you don't have, no need to use that. You can use Oyster sauce as well. And this is garlic, just crushed one. So I'm going to prepare some chicken recipe. So I have this chicken pieces, and first of all I will marinate it. So first the soya sauce. I am using dark soya sauce, and then this is oyster sauce. I am not using any oil in this cooking. And then the crushed garlic, the onion, and the chilies. And some chopped coriander. The coriander will be less, and I will sprinkle a little bit of salt and sugar as well. Salt will be less because oyster sauce and this soya sauce has salt, so I'll use the less salt. Let me add that. So sugar, and little bit of salt, not much. If needed, we can use it later, add it later. So I will marinate it very well, and I'll keep it for hardly 5 to 6 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and the lime juice as well. So here goes the lime juice. Again, the smell really is very nice. So I will keep it for 5 to 6 minutes maximum. As I said, I have to steam the chicken, so I have this bamboo steamer. If you don't have bamboo steamer, you can use the momo maker as well for steam. So I'll prepare the bed at first. So this is the cabbage leaf. I have to put it inside, and then I'll place the chicken. So very securely I have to do it, so that the juice won't go outside. And now I'll place the chicken. So here goes my chicken, all the chicken actually, and everything goes inside. I'll just steam it. It's actually a very easy recipe and very tasty, healthy as well. So I'm just adding it and the sauce. So that's it. Now I will steam the entire thing. the steaming is started. I have to fill it with water, and then I have to place this bamboo steamer. Let me show you. So this was it, and now I have to steam it. So steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's see how much time it will take to be prepared. 15 minutes over, so I'll check if the chicken is done or not. Let me open it and I'll break it. So you can see the onions are almost done, and let me check about the chicken. So here goes the chicken. It's soft, tender and juicy. So I'll show you how it will look like. This is a piece and it will look like this. So our steamed chicken is already done, and we can have it with rice, plain rice. So this is a simple recipe of steamed chicken, and let me show you. It is really very colorful and tasty, healthy. You don't need much ingredients. So what I can say, you can go through my YouTube channel. You can subscribe my channel, YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, for this kind of recipe. It's a diet one, so I'm sharing many diet recipes over there. You can check it. Diet does not mean a boiled food, not tasty or tasteless food, but that is tasty, healthy and really very yummy. So you can go through my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. You can check me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen. You can check me in Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen as well. And if you want to place food order, so you can go through Google Madhurima's Kitchen or Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen to reach me directly. So I am going to enjoy my food, my diet and yummy food. So prepare it and let me know how it is.